In this video, I'll show you how to convert mass to moles and moles to mass. Of course, as always, feel free to like, subscribe, feel free to watch any of my other videos, and please check out the description. You can check out my website if you wish. It's in the description. I provided a link. A mole is the amount of substance that contains as many elementary particles or entities as there are atoms in exactly 12 grams of the carbon-12 isotope. Again, a mole is the amount of substance in exactly, in substance that contains as many elementary entities as there are atoms in exactly 12 grams of the carbon-12 isotope. 1 mole is 6.22 times 10 to the 23rd power particles. One that's also, of course, called Avogadro's number. If some of your biology professors, well, none of them have a PhD and have an actual real education, but I've heard one. Her degree is in master's in science education, and she has a bachelor's in biology. But anyways, would say that mole is short for molecule. You'll never hear a chemist say that. Well, here's moles to mass. This is your formula you'll use. I'm going to explain it a little bit in a minute. And mass to moles. You have to make sure you know your conversion factors, because that's going to help you a lot, especially with something like this. Now, suppose you use 0.35 grams of aluminum. You're using 0.35 grams of aluminum. What mass in grams in aluminum is this? I'm sorry, this should say 0.35 moles. Apologize for that. Suppose you use 0.35 moles of aluminum. What mass in grams in aluminum is this? Using the molar mass of aluminum, which if you look up on your periodic chart is 27 grams per mole, you find that 9.75 grams of aluminum is required. Now here's your equation. This is why you want to make sure you learn your conversion factors and how to do the cross multiply and all this stuff. 0.35 moles of aluminum, 25 grams. So you notice how I have moles and moles here cancel each other out. And of course you get 9.5 grams of aluminum. That's why it's very important to learn this. When your instructor is going over this, significant figures and all this stuff, you know how to cancel out these things, you need to really, really pay attention to it, because this is where it'll bite you in the tail if you don't. Well, feel free to like, subscribe, feel free to watch my other videos, feel free to leave a comment, and also please check out the description. I will have a link to a website. You can check out my website. Thanks.